To change the sensor, you have to press for 3 seconds this button. The sensor is currently set on 4 to 20 now. 5 for 4 to 20. For RTD it has to be 1. Set to be 1. Now we have already connected the RTD. So for connection of RTD, here it is 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 is the resistance and the 5 and 6 is the lead resistance. Here is this the connection. We are connecting the auxiliary supply 230 volt on 11 and 12. The relay will be used as a 7, 8 and 9, 10, sub 1 and sub 2. And for programming relay, you have to just go press for 3 seconds, scroll down from this button. This is the relay 1 and this is the relay 2. This is 2 for when temperature goes above it will be on, and goes above set point it will be on. If you put 3 it will be work reversal. If you put it will be work as a reversal. Means when the temperature goes up it will off and it will go up then on and come down then off. For setting sensor 1 you have to change from here. For relay you have to change it from relay 1 and relay 2. Do nothing. Control will be on off type. All parameter will be the remain same. For exit you have to just press and hold for 3 seconds. It will become out. To change the set point you can change it directly from here. Means the current temperature is 17.8 degrees. I am just putting here. Both outputs are gone off. It is for heating heater control. If I put it now, I am changing the set point down. Now both relay are on. If you change it as a reversal, you have to just go and change it from relay 1. लीजेंड तो नहीं है कोई, फोटो भेजी है वो पहले भी ऐसे ही गया था बिना लीजेंड के। अब कोई नहीं इतने रुपए ये इसी में लेवल। Now it will be on after 17.75. 14 कर दो उसको राउंड इसको। हाँ तो 14 तो क्या है ये? इसको 1400 कर दो और ये कितना है 560 कर दो उसको। Okay. भाई तो 1000 रुपए। When temperature goes down it will be off. क्वांटिटी 2 रहेगी। बिल तो करोगे हिसाब से। बिल वैल्यू जोड़ने की बोल रहा हूं। अच्छा 14 दुनिया 28 वो दे आया तुमने 4 हो गए तो 250 हैं प्लस 500 साइन करा के जाओ नहीं तू उधर लेके आ मैं आज पढ़ने जा रहा प्लस 500 दो बार 500 हां 1000 ये देखो नहीं हो 4920 रुपए हो रहा है ज्यादा समय ना उधर में कोई 360 को वो चेक कराओ इमरजेंसी स्टॉक है कि नहीं उधर हैगा स्टॉक चेक कराओ नहीं तो उसको लाना पड़ेगा ठीक है 3920 हो रहा है हां 3920 हां 1000 रुपए और बता रहे हो केवल है हाँ ये तो 4920 रुपए हो गए ना।